Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another versus, this time showcasing two vintage inspired quartz chronographs that I think are very interesting to look at. We have on the left hand side the Gigant. I'm always mispronouncing this. Please correct me in the comment section. And as you might notice, this is an homage for the Daytona 6263 with a very cool chronograph function, which is the 1/20th second. So it's really, really cool. And you don't get to see a lot of these on the market in that price range. I think this one was on Amazon with 170, 180 euros. Be sure to check out other resources for maybe a better price, but definitely a really cool functionality. You have the stainless steel tachyometer bezel, polished case, good size with 40 millimeters, really nice on the wrist, not so thick, not so big, and I really like this panda color configuration of the dial as well. And on the other side we have a Fowler, and as you can see I'm selling actually this watch if you're interested. And yeah, it has this dual bicompass chronograph, as you can see, with the central seconds 24 hours indicator, and just so the date goes so we can get. And what I like about this watch is has this stamped guilloche pattern on the dial, blue. It has a modern size, so it's a little bit bigger, so 41 millimeters, even though it looks on my 17 centimeter wrist really well. And it has also this classical train track minutes inner bezel, let's say, and Roman numerals as well. So it has really nice vintage inspired touches, and I just wanted to show you both these options if you're looking for vintage inspired watches. Please let me know in the comment section what other vintage inspired chronographs you like and you prefer over these, and in the price range or any other price range. Maybe I'll be able to get one on the channel and be able to do a proper review and a proper unboxing of it. And of course, if you have any questions, any comments, leave them in the comment section. If you'd like me to review some of your watches, some of my viewers and friends of the channels did this already, send me their watches. And especially if you're living in Germany, that would be much easier for delivery and everything else. So please let me know. And this is an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.